In the heart of the industrial cathedral, the pursuit of perfection begins. Every masterpiece starts with a vision, mapped out with absolute precision.
It requires an unwavering focus, where experience meets exact calculation.
We source only the finest raw materials, from high-tensile steel to premium fleece, transforming raw strength into the foundation of unparalleled support.
Nature's finest timber is rigorously inspected, ensuring structural integrity. Layers of comfort are prepared, ready to be shaped by skilled hands.
Traditional craftsmanship is elevated by advanced digital engineering.
Heavy machinery carves with microscopic accuracy, forming a robust core.
Each element is meticulously aligned, engineering the ultimate sleep experience.
Raw steel is fused together, forging an unbreakable foundation. Natural fibers are transformed, engineered for unparalleled breathability. Advanced machinery binds the luxurious layers with relentless precision. Immense pressure compresses the core, securing the internal architecture. The layers are locked in place, ensuring lifelong stability.
Modern technology cuts with flawless accuracy, leaving no room for error.
Every corner is tightly secured, building the ultimate support structure. The final seal is applied, uniting strength with refiner elegance.
Seamless automation drives the production forward at an unrelenting pace.
Advanced adhesives fuse the perimeters, reinforcing the edges for absolute durability.
Microscopic tolerances dictate the difference between good and absolute perfection.
Hand-finished side stitching secures the edge, a testament to enduring craftsmanship. Even the structural foundation is polished to an immaculate, heavy-duty finish. Relentless fatigue testing guarantees decades of uncompromising support.
Advanced biometrics validate the ergonomic superiority of the internal architecture.
Armored for transport, the masterpiece is sealed against the elements.
Dispatched from the factory floor, ready to redefine global standards. A triumph of industrial precision and unparalleled luxury.
The ultimate signature of heavy-duty elegance. Built by experts. Engineered for eternity. Every individual coil is tested and calibrated for absolute structural integrity. Exotic materials are forcefully blended into a composite of ultimate resilience. The foundation is fortified with heavy-grade steel, built to withstand the test of time. High-carbon steel perimeters lock the core in a fortress of stability.
The headboard is armored in premium materials, tensioned with industrial force. Dense layers of natural fibers are expertly manipulated to maximize airflow. Perimeters are forged with extreme pressure, ensuring zero edge collapse.
The perimeter is aggressively bound, sealing the internal architecture with unwavering strength.
Massive steel subframes are positioned with precision, creating an unyielding foundation for luxury.
Every structural joint is reinforced with heavy-grade steel hardware, engineered to never fail. Even the storage architecture is built with unyielding structural integrity. Each spring is independently nested, engineering a responsive core that adapts to every movement. 8-way hand tying locks the foundation, an industrial execution of a time-honored technique.
The outer shell undergoes intense scrutiny. Only flawless textiles survive the inspection.
Reinforced perimeters are chemically bonded to prevent any structural breakdown.
Extreme compression and deep tufting forge the layers into an inseparable monolith.
Armored corners protect the foundation, engineered to withstand the harshest environments.
Industrial mobility is anchored into the core, ensuring effortless maneuverability.
Massive logistical power moves the heavy foundations through the final stages of production.
The final tension is applied, culminating in a surface of impenetrable luxury.
Side stitching is executed with relentless force, locking the internal architecture.
Immense pressure binds the luxury layers into an unbreakable, cohesive unit.
Advanced chemical treatments fortify the materials, exceeding all safety protocols.
Brutal fatigue testing ensures the foundation will survive decades of impact.
Heavy brass ventilation ports are anchored into the core to maximize breathability. The sheer weight of the raw materials demands heavy-grade logistical power.
The final seal of quality is permanently integrated into the armored shell. Vacuum sealed under immense pressure, protecting the masterpiece from all elements. Encased in solid timber, the transport vault is secured for global deployment. Ready for deployment, engineered to conquer any environment.
A rigorous final inspection guarantees absolute perfection under the harshest light.
Armored in solid timber and bound by high-tensile steel, ready for global transport.
Heavy logistics machines power the final descent to the dispatch bay.
The industrial vault houses an arsenal of unparalleled sleep architecture.
Massive payloads are locked and loaded, engineered for worldwide deployment.
A monument of refined luxury standing amidst raw industrial power.
The foundation remains unyielding, anchored in heavy-duty engineering.
Forged by experts. Driven by an obsession with absolute durability.
The factory doors open, unleashing a new standard of structural dominance. This is not just luxury. This is heavy-duty comfort, engineered for a lifetime.
A masterpiece of comfort, born from the fires of heavy industry. Where raw physical labor meets uncompromising luxury. Forged by the hands of dedicated experts.
The tools of the trade leave behind a legacy of perfect rest.
The shift ends, but the structural integrity endures forever.
The machines power down, resting for the next cycle of creation. Another day of pushing the boundaries of heavy-duty craftsmanship. Securing the fortress of industrial luxury. Unrivaled support. Engineered for the ultimate sleep. Vispring, the heavy-duty standard of luxury.